Magka-camping kami.
We're gonna go now.
Yeah.
Guys, we're packing up. Ay, I'm gonna bring this.
I think I broke it.
Yeah, say hi.
What the dog doing?
Tara na. Let's go.
What the dog doing?
Damn, pretty. Look at the view, y'all.
Oh my gosh. That looks fun. I want to swim. Hi. We're here. Forget Me Not Lake.
I don't know, maybe.
Hi.
Let's go.
Oh my god. Bro, so cold. That's true. What's up?
Yeah, say hi. Say hi.
What?
Uy, puta mo! Ay.
We're walking on water, guys.
Above water, I said.
Oh my gosh. That's young.
Yeah?
Imagine I just jumped there. But I don't want.
And the view, look at the view, y'all. Aking view. Jawa.
Bro.
Look at the view.
Oh! It's a I don't know. Oh! Wow. The bird!
Hi guys, naghahanap lang kami ng
Place.
Naghahanap lang kami ng pwesto to set up. Pero ayan yung view. Ayan.
Ito, basta meron ka makitang pang-hawa yan, no? Pwede siguro.
Yeah, may nagka-canoe. Canoe yun, di ba? Canoe.
Yes.
Bro, what are you doing, bro? Yeah.
Wait for me!
Ang layo. Ang init ah.
Go!
Ayan yung view pala.
Forgot I was vlogging with you. Or was I? Smoke! Well, that took him 20 seconds to go to me. Oh, come on. Can't I like to help something?
What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
Guys, we're
We're-
building this.
We're building the grill.
The grill.
It's low-key difficult.
Kind of complicated, but
We could
it's
do it.
fine. Guys,
Kasi yung tong.
nagtayo ako ng ano guys.
Kayo mo po kung gusto mo po doon. Oh.
Nagtayo ako ng tent tapos walang stick. Eh, ending. Balik ulit dyan. Balik sa box.
Doon kayo. Hotdog.
Where is it? Oh, yeah! I can see! Yeah.
Hindi ko pa nakikita yung apoy eh. Nasaan ba yung apoy nito?
Hi. The troublemaker, say hi.
Hi.
The sister.
Hi.
Another sister.
What the dog doing?
Don't sausages. Hot damn.
Ikot mo.
Hey, look at that burnt.
Paano?
Let's look at this sausage. This is
Honey garlic.
honey garlic sausage.
Because they can't see their wings.
Oh, mag-hotdog pa kayo.
Hey, that how a butterfly look like?
Almost.
Pabalasa mo.
Hatayo. Itong naglalaro niya.
Nakita na lahat ni Ate Kasi.
Sabi ni Cassie, oh. Ayaw niya talaga.
Kaya,
Kaya si Liam to. Lumayo pa siya konti para di halata. Sinasaktan ako eh. Hindi ba gano'n? Nakikiga. Sabi ni Kasi. Kitang-kita.
Cute.
How does he know what is tickle?
I don't know. Nanap niya.
No, do you want to feed the dog? Wala naman daanhan. There is.
Tinan mo! Ang tawag dyan?
Bato.
Pagkain.
Guys, look at my skin, y'all. We're going home.
Oh
It's still so early. Well, not
Oh
that early, but just like...
What is that? What is that? Fishing? Yeah. It start with that up here.
Yeah.
Bro, the fish. Now that's a river, y'all.